how much should you actually spend on a cable tester? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Klein Tools Land Scout Jr. The Klein Tools VDV 526-200 cable tester, also known as the Land Scout Jr. This caught my attention with its compact design and reasonable price of $54.99. If you want a reliable tool for testing your Ethernet cables, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Land Scout Jr. is designed for comprehensive testing of data cables, specifically RJ45 connections. It covers faults like open, short, and miswire, which means you'll know exactly where your setup is failing. The backlit LCD screen is a huge plus, especially when you're working in dim light, showing clear pin-to-pin wire map results. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly trusted by many. Now, some people complained about the lack of a tone generator included in the package. Here's the thing though, while it's true that you need to buy the probe separately, I'd argue that for most casual users, this won't be a deal breaker. You just might have to invest a bit more if you need that feature. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a home network or need a reliable tester for occasional use. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs advanced features right out of the box. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the lack of built-in tone generation bothered you, this next one might just have what you're looking for.
Product number 2, Klein Tools Scout Pro 3 Kit. The Klein Tools VDV 501-851 cable tester kit with Scout Pro 3, priced at $96.99. The standout feature here is its versatility. It tests voice, data, and video cables, which makes it an all-in-one solution. If you want comprehensive testing capabilities, this one's definitely worth a serious look. What really sets this apart is its ability to measure cable lengths up to 2,000 feet. This means you're not just testing connectivity, you're also gauging the length accurately. The backlit LCD display provides details like cable length and wire map results, making sure you don't fumble in low light situations. Plus, with features like multi-cable run mapping, it can save you tons of time, especially in larger setups. However, some users mentioned that it's a bit bulky to carry around. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're just looking for a quick, portable tester, this might not be the most convenient choice. But if you need a tool that packs a punch, this is the one. This is perfect for professional network installers who need a reliable, multifunctional tool. Skip this one if you're only testing small home setups. Considering its capabilities, it offers great value for the features you get. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious folks. Product number 3, Klein Tools LAN Explorer. We have the Klein Tools VDV 526-100 Network LAN Cable Tester. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect if you're looking for something straightforward. If you want a no-frills tool for basic testing, this is definitely worth a look. This tester supports RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 cables, giving you a wide range of compatibility. The LED indicators make it super easy to understand the cable status, from pass to miswire, with just a glance. Plus, it has a secure storage compartment for the remote tester, which is handy for avoiding loss. However, some users noted that it lacks advanced features like length measurement. Here's the thing though, if you're just after basic functionality without the bells and whistles, this tester gets the job done reliably and at a great price. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who needs to quickly check their home networking cables. Skip this one if you need detailed diagnostics or complex features. For its price, it delivers solid value. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next option might just surprise you.
Product number 4, Yojoc Ethernet Cable Tester. We have the Network Ethernet Cable Tester by Yojoc, priced at a wallet-friendly $9.97. This one's perfect if you want an affordable option without sacrificing essential features. If you're looking for basic functionality that won't break the bank, this one's definitely worth checking out. The Yojoc tester works with both RJ45 and RJ11 cables, allowing you to check for issues like short circuits or miswiring. What's neat is the split-type design, which lets you test both ends of a longer cable run easily. The LED indicators are clear and make spotting wiring issues a breeze, which is great for troubleshooting. However, some users reported that it can feel a bit flimsy. Now, I get it. If you're looking for something heavy-duty, this might not be your first choice. But for occasional home use, it's a practical buy that gets the job done. This is perfect for home users or DIYers who need a simple, effective tool for basic testing. Skip this one if you're a professional needing more durable equipment. Honestly, for under 10 bucks, it's a steal. Now, if you want to keep it even simpler, check out our next product.
Product number 5, Tessman TLP123A Tester. The Tessman TLP123A Network Cable Tester, available for just $8.98. It's one of the most affordable options on the list, while still offering solid performance. If you're really looking for a budget-friendly choice, this one's definitely worth considering. This tester supports both RJ45 and RJ11 cables and quickly detects line connectivity and faults. The detachable design is super convenient for testing long distances, which is a huge plus if you're working in larger spaces. Plus, the LED indicators are easy to read, making it user-friendly for anyone. However, some buyers mention that it lacks advanced features like tone tracing. Here's my take. For basic troubleshooting and testing, you won't miss those features. It's focused on the essentials and does that well. This is perfect for casual users who need a reliable tester without spending much. Skip this one if you require advanced features or extra durability. For the price point, it's hard to beat. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 cable testers. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make your network setup easier and more reliable. To sum it up, we have the Klein Tools Land Scout Junior for compact reliability, the Scout Pro 3 for versatility, the Land Explorer for basic needs, the Yojok for affordability, and the Tessman for budget users. Each has something unique to offer, depending on your specific needs. Choose wisely, and happy networking.